Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your party closed on your PlayStation 5. So there's a couple different ways that we can do this, or a couple different meetings. So the first is our game. So if we go to settings right here, and then go down to where it says save data and game app settings, go to game presets and go to the right. And we can go to online multiplayer session. And we can go to who can join game, and we can set this to invite players only or friends. So we can just set it under here. So people can't join our game, and then it'll automatically switch that setting over for that game. So if you go from Call of Duty to Fortnite or Apex Legends, if you have set to invite players only, or even just friends, well, this is automatically just going to apply that in the game. So I might want to just go to friends of friends for this, and then I never have to worry about random people joining, which I really don't have a problem with. But you can put it to friends of friends under there. It'll automatically just update it for your game and you never have to switch it over again. But if you want to make your party closed under party chat, we can just go to party and go to closed right here. And then you do have the option, if you do have a normal party where it's open, go to party settings, and then you can make it closed under here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.